Hey guys, Zach Ginn, Flip with Rick here. Today I'm going to go over my daily schedule as a 20-year-old real estate investor, being very successful and getting a lot of deals done throughout the months and years. So let's check it out. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to go over my daily work schedule. I don't do this to brag or to show people, hey, I'm working harder than you, or I'm working less harder than you and still getting better deals. I just want to show this as a blueprint to someone newer or someone trying to switch something up in their business on maybe a schedule you can do. Schedules I love, especially since I'm just more of an analytical person. So I like to know I got to do this, this, and this at this time and just get her done. As they say. So I just want to just post that schedule up here and just talk about it and tell you what I do every day, and hopefully it helps you, maybe motivates you, maybe doesn't, on what someone like me does out here in South Florida, just getting deals done. So okay, so first rules here. So let's go over it. So usually at about 7. Okay, so this morning I actually got up at 8 a.m. just because I had a long Sunday. I was watching football, hanging out with the family, but usually I get up at around 7 to 7:30, usually when the sun rises. So I usually get up at 7 a.m., got up at 8 this morning, so I don't want to lie to you guys. Got up at 8 a.m. this morning just because I didn't really have too much to do per se. I had a lot of work to do in the afternoon because we just got some Flip with Ricky meetings this afternoon. So I just got up a little later, 8 a.m., but usually up 7 to 8 a.m., let's say. I get up, I get my coffee in the morning, get some water, read the news, and get started my day. So usually what I do is I hop in the office real quick, and I check my computer, and usually I check the MLS, check Zillow, check all my properties, just all that are on the market right now, see what's going on, how many appointments we actually got and showings on the property, what offers we're getting, check my emails, talking to hundreds of real estate investors and wholesalers, just throwing properties at me. Most of them are just trash and terrible ones, but hey, usually maybe once a month I get a pretty good one and we actually buy them from a wholesaler, talk to them, and that's what we do in the morning. I just check them all out, see what's going on, and then usually around 9 a.m.-ish, I don't start following up at all before 9 a.m. just because people need to get their head straight and get in a better mood, especially when they're talking to people. So about 9 a.m., I go into my CRM and I start following up. Are you ready for it? I only follow up morning people. Do not follow up someone that is on the lazier side of things, that gets up at like 11 or 12 o'clock. You know the sellers I'm talking about. I do not follow up with those people in the morning, but some older people, especially people that own a lot of properties, they tend to get up earlier. People in their 60s, 70s, 80s, they're rise and shine kind of guys, and they love that a young guy like me is calling them early in the morning-ish at 9 o'clock, and they love that. That's when I do my follow-ups in the morning. They're in a brighter mood, and then we go from I usually do that for about an hour. I got a lot of follow-ups got to deal with, and then from about 10 to 2 p.m., this is all arbitrary. Some days I got like one appointment. Some days I did like a Saturday or Friday. I'm filled to the brim with appointments. Just like today, I only got like 3 appointments done. And I probably had to get a new filter on this house. So I'll show you that at the end, how disgusting that is. But usually about 10 to 2, I like to give myself that range. That's the time I really need to get some appointments done. And obviously I do appointments at 4, 5, 6 p.m. I don't like to do it past 7, especially here in Florida. It gets dark quick, and I mean, it's hard to inspect properties, especially at night, and shady characters coming at night. I just want to spend time with the family, friends, just hanging out there. So from 10 to 2, I'm usually driving around appointments. When I go to an appointment, let's say I have an appointment set for 10 a.m. I'll get there at around kind of my follow-up time, but I always put that in the end. I'll tell you guys later. So if the appointment's at 10, I like to get there at like 9:50, drive around the property, you know, just go by the property once, and then I'll do some driving for dollars around the area for like, you know, 5-10 minutes, and then just then go to my appointment, blah blah blah, get the deal, get the not, mostly get the deal though, and then just drive around my other appointments for the day, and then usually I get some in between ones. So if I got like 5 appointments, you know, one at 10, 11, 11:30, and 12, and then like one at like 1:30, I'll have like 30 minutes in between. And I might go to like a Starbucks or somewhere near if I'm like 30 minutes away, and just go on. I always bring my computer with me in my bag, and I always just go, you know, check comps in the area, make sure I know my numbers well, and I'm very educated with that area. So that's usually what I do, 10 to 2, get home between maybe 2 to 3, and that's when we start with the other part of the day. So at around about 3 o'clock, most of my hard part of the day, not hard, but like the priority part of my day is spent on the real estate investing side. That's where 99.9% of our money is made on those times. And obviously if I have appointments pushed back to the day, or if I just got them in the morning, I always shift the schedule around. There's never a perfect day, but this is more of a goal-oriented setting. If I wasn't doing crazy amount of deals and we weren't sending out tens of thousands of postcards per month, and I only did a little bit or had a smaller marketing budget, this is something I would do too. And so about 3 o'clock at home, you know, just gotta eat some food, stretch around here. Usually I call some students if I can, and I just prepare for the day. So if, let's say it's a Wednesday or Thursday, our Flip with Rick students in the university group, we do basically we do strategic planning sessions with them that are individualized, and we also just do one big coaching call group. You know, I'll prepare for that, try to see where every student's at, what they need to do, check their budgets, you know, just check things they send me, a lot of problems that they need to be resolved that I can help, or, you know, I'll go get Rick and help him out with that. So that's about 3 o'clock, and at 4 p.m., you know, it's still the work day. What I'm doing throughout the day also, which you probably know, that if I'm getting a call from bandit signs, direct mail, I'll always answer those. It's pretty fun. So 4 o'clock, I actually start my workout. So I just start working out. I just ate. I get a workout in. I usually do that for an hour, hour and a half. I like to work out a lot. I'm not as intense as Rick. Rick is the beast at working out. But I like to try a little bit. I just get to go to the gym real quick, maybe throw a bandit sign around near there. But, you know, a lot of times when I'm working out, you know, if I'm on the bench press or I'm squatting or something like that, or just doing dumbbell curls, I get calls all the time from probates and direct mail. And the thing that kind of sucks is my business is my number one priority. Health is also very important to me too, but I can always come back and weight lift whenever I want at night. So if I'm curling or if I'm squatting and I get a phone call and I see it's like a probate, I'm like, oh shoot, this is a probate. A lot of my probate deals, when I actually get them on the phone, I get the appointments in for like an hour. So they call me, I'm like, oh, got an hour. I got that appointment set. And usually what I gotta do is I gotta grab my keys, go home, shower real quick, put a nice collared shirt on and some long pants, and just run over, you know, like 20 minutes away to go get an appointment, and, you know, and I come back to the gym later. That's happening only a couple times. Usually, you know, I just got to do some initial follow-up and talk, and usually I just got to leave the gym, go back in the car, talk to him real quick, and just, you know, I got to pop my phone out and just look at things real quick while talking to him. I got the AirPods to help me out a lot here. So we're usually at the gym. I'm still working, even though a lot of people don't think I am, but, you know, so working out. And usually start at 4, then I get back at 5. Usually I might have that weekly coaching call with everyone, or at 5 o'clock. If that's not the case, 5 to 6. If I'm not working with the Flip with Rick students, I'm doing my, ready for it, evening follow-ups. This is really important too, because now I'm talking to evening people. I always tell people, hey, morning guy, you're a later guy, oh, I'm a later guy, blah, blah, blah. I'm a morning guy. So sometimes in the morning, I gotta call them before 9 if they're working 9 to 5 jobs. And then now I gotta go over here. So if they're like working people and they don't want to do it before 9, they want to do it after 5. I call them 5, 5:30. Usually I like to do about 5 to 6 is when I do my evening follow-ups. And during that time also, I actually go on appointments too if I can. Usually those are the more localized ones, you know, like 5 minutes away. If I gotta go down to like Broward, I do them in the morning. I hate doing evening ones in Broward County. You know, if you live in South Florida, the traffic just sucks. But that's it. So that's about 5 to 6 o'clock. And then usually I wrap up the day, you know, just doing some more Flip with Rick stuff. Throughout the day, I might do a marketing meeting or two with Rick and the other people we work with, just working on other stuff, maybe products, videos, something like this. So right now it's actually, what is it? So right now it's at 10 a.m. right now, and I actually had an appointment at 9 a.m., then I had one at 10, and then I'm back here at 10 o'clock because the second appointment got canceled, unfortunately. So I've only had one appointment today. I got 2 more after this. And so I had like an hour in between. I had to go buy an air filter right here for this property. So that's why I have this weird in-between thing. And I got my comps pretty much set. I printed them out. I got it all done. So I have like an hour in between here. And I'm just over by this property, just checking on it and just shooting this video. So that's my daily schedule. I usually stop working around 7. Now I'm always answering the phone. I don't consider talking to sellers work per se. You know, what I do, I don't really even think about as work. You know, it's something I love to do. I help so many people, and it just gives me great joy to help someone out in a tough situation and help them out, and obviously to give them hundreds of thousands of dollars for their properties. So this is Zach Ginn signing out here. I'm going to post a PDF also for you here of my daily schedule. Now this isn't, I'm not saying I do this every day, but this is most of the days, this is what I'm doing. So this is my schedule. Maybe I can get Rick to do his. We'll see. And comment below what you like, what you don't like, and what you want to see from us. So let's check out that air filter thing. Oh boy, guys. So here is this disgusting air filter. This thing should be plain white. This is the thing I replaced. It's gonna make me throw up. That's what tenants do, you know. They don't take care of their properties too well. And so this is just my other public service announcement here, that you just gotta clean your air filter. So let's show you the difference here. The 2 differences here. You guys just need to come out here, especially wholesalers, clean the air filters. Look at the difference here. It's just disgusting. So public announcement here, guys. Clean your air filters, please.